Well, the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued an advisory to all states to curb misuse of IPC Section 498A, which pertains to marital cruelty. The Home Ministry's advisory refers to a July 2014 Supreme Court order where the top court observed that there had been a phenomenal rise in matrimonial disputes which had led to disgruntled wives using this section of the IPC as a weapon. The Supreme Court order said that the police should not automatically arrest a person when a case has been registered against him. The order says that the police will now have to record sufficient evidence and produce the accused person before a magistrate who will then decide on detention. The decision on whether or not to arrest the accused should be taken within 2 weeks of the case being registered. Well, Atir Khan is now joining us more on this latest directive that has been issued by the Home Ministry. Atir, what does it effectively mean? And it's clearly a direction that first came from the Supreme Court after it noticed how this section was being broadly misused.
Well, the advisory clearly it lays down the procedure which is to be followed. There is a code of criminal procedure which normally the police follows, but then there is a special mention that the police officer who's investigating any such complaint or case has to ensure that he or she has valid reasons to make arrest until that person has filled a form giving reasons for the arrest. It should not be made. Moreover, the magistrate should decide whether the accused or the family members need to be detained or not. So these are the provisions which will undo the misuse which had come into practice, and there is an alarming rise in such cases, and therefore this advisory from the Home Ministry.